Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all those good things for you guys. I'm feeling so lethargic. I think मेरी ना आवाज़ में ही ऐसी नींद भरी पड़ी है. So before going to sleep and wiping off my makeup, I thought to make one video, and I got 2-3 products from Pack Cosmetics. So I wanted to show it to you guys and give you review about it. So let's get started into the video. So first, पैक कॉस्मेटिक्स गुड़गांव में नहीं है. ऑनलाइन सिर्फ अमेजोन और नायका पे है, और दिल्ली में रजौरी में है. सो आउट इनके ऑथराइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स हैं. सो आई गॉट दिस फ्रॉम आदित्य इंटरप्राइज, ऑथराइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर फॉर पैक कॉस्मेटिक्स. So I have used their glitters, pressed glitters, and they are bomb. रिव्यू मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे है, IGTV पे भी शायद, नो इंस्टाग्राम पे है. सो प्लीज़ गो एंड चेक दैट आउट गाइज. इफ़ यू वांट, इफ़ यू सजेस्ट, जो मेरे यूट्यूब की अलग ऑडियंस है, इफ़ यू वांट आई कैन पुट दैट ऑन माई यूट्यूब ऑल्सो. बट यू नीड टू टेल मी, हाँ, यू नीड टू टेल मी कि मुझे डालना चाहिए कि नहीं डालना चाहिए. ऑलराइट, सो टू बिगिन विद 2 ऑफ द brushes. This is a very good eye brush. It's pack 114. So this is the brush, and it's like a very good small blending brush. Good if you want to blend it towards your crease. So it is a very good brush. MRP is close to 500, pretty expensive. Then this is the pack 221. And this kind of brush is a puff brush, can be used for dusting off the excess powder or for the highlighter thing. So yeah, I will link in the description box and with the price also. Then I need to make a separate video for this. I got this was the first bottle. I got another one, and oh my god, this is the fixing spray. If you're finding one perfect fixing spray, then this is your pick, honey. This is your pick. Trust me. Okay, wait for the review. I don't know why I speak so much between the video, but wait for another review for this. I need to make a separate video. Then this is the eyelashes, pack 62. Price 195. इनके prices बढ़ चुके हैं. I have a lot of Pack Cosmetics eyelashes. So if you guys want, I am thinking to make a video for different type of eyelashes. I have some from Shein as well, so I'm gonna make a separate video. Second, I've got 2 of the beautiful pigments. They are the eyeshadow. Wait, it's a very deep brown color. Bhai, give you mat. It's very good. It's perfect for the nude makeup, and this is 300 each. It's a refill, and that's the color. Then I have this beautiful pink color in the small refill. So okay, this is the pink pigment. You can see my eyes. मुझे इतनी नींद आ रही है इस वक्त. Alright. So this is the beautiful pink color. 300 each. Okay, then I got 2 of the items not from Pack, but oh my god, Kryolan. I have filmed a video regarding Kryolan products. Kryolan is such an amazing inexpensive makeup brand, and usually जो भी makeup artist होते हैं वो Kryolan या फिर makeup studio makeup forever के makeup studio के product use करते हैं. This is a very stunning lemon pigment, and this is price is 350 rupees, and that's how the packaging look like. It's so, I've not yet opened it. It's so pretty. I will make you see how beautiful the color is. Where do you swatch? So इसकी ये बिना glitter glue के नहीं लगेगा, but this is the color. If you can see, it's beautiful. Kryolan का स्टोर अपने क्राउन प्लाजा जो स्क्रीन सेक्टर में होटल है उसमें है. Then this is another color and ये थोड़ा different packaging है. It is also such a beautiful color, 350 again, and it is like a very subtle, simple beige kind of color. Okay, इसमें oh, it's so soft. It does not require any kind of glue, but I'm gonna apply it and see with the glue. Not in this video. This is the shade. Isn't it pretty, guys? So yeah, that's it. A small little haul for you guys. I hope that was informative. इसकी जो भी shades हैं मैं link description box में लिख दूँगी. Please check कर लेना यार. And please subscribe. And I'll see you super soon.